Welcome back to Green Zone. Every day, we throw away so many things from our kitchen. But did you know these simple items can be turned into powerful, natural fertilizer? In this video, we'll look at 5 easy ways to feed your plants using kitchen waste. Eggshells are a great source of calcium, which helps plants grow strong stems and healthy roots. To use them, first wash and dry the shells. Then crush them into small pieces or grind them into a fine powder. Sprinkle the powder directly into the soil or mix it in when planting vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, or eggplants. Banana peels are rich in potassium and phosphorus, 2 nutrients that help plants produce more flowers and fruits. You can chop banana peels into small pieces and bury them in the soil near your plants. Or, you can soak the peels in water for 2 days and use the liquid as banana peel tea fertilizer. Don't throw away used coffee grounds. They contain nitrogen, which helps plants grow green and leafy. Coffee grounds also improve soil structure and attract earthworms, which are very good for soil health. Simply sprinkle a thin layer on top of the soil or mix it into your compost pile. But remember, don't add too much, as it can make the soil acidic. Vegetable and fruit scraps can be turned into compost. Compost is a dark, rich soil-like material that is full of nutrients. To make compost, collect peels, scraps, and other kitchen waste in a bin or bucket. Over time, they will break down naturally into organic matter. Add this compost to your garden soil to keep your plants strong and healthy. If you have an aquarium at home, don't waste the water when you clean it. Fish tank water is rich in nitrogen and tiny nutrients that plants love. Use this water to feed indoor or outdoor plants, and you'll see them grow greener and healthier. So next time you cook, don't throw away those scraps. Turn them into free, natural fertilizer for your plants. It's simple, eco-friendly, and your plants will thank you with stronger growth and brighter blooms. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get more informative stuff.